Today I am trying out the Sihuird cordless leaf blower, and honestly I was surprised at how lightweight it is. This kit comes with the leaf blower, 2 rechargeable batteries, a charger, 2 attachments, and a shoulder strap. I love the strap because it helps distribute the weight and it makes it more comfortable to use, especially if you don't want to carry everything in your arms by yourself. It's cordless, which I love, so there's no extension cord to drag around the yard, and it's great for quickly clearing leaves, grass clippings, and debris from patios, sidewalks, and landscaping areas. I have used other leaf blowers before, and this one has a great power to it. I feel very confident using it, and it makes cleanup easy. I've been using it around my backyard, and it is so easy for quick cleanups. If you are looking for a great lightweight cordless leaf blower that includes extra batteries right in the kit, this Sihuird model is worth checking out. I should mention they did send me this as a sample, and I absolutely love it, and I do recommend this. It is linked on Amazon if you want to check it out.